Yo, what's up, YouTube? This is Custom over here at Custom Made Barbershop in Jacksonville. And today I'm doing a skin fade, skin box fade, a high top fade. And personally, I want you guys, I'm gonna try something different. I'm gonna actually post this haircut video and not explain the steps. So those of you that have been following my channel, I want you guys to go ahead and try to see if you can name all of the guards that I'm using, or try to predict the steps that I'll be using next. Like normally when I do a skin fade, I normally fade bald out the bottom with the liners. And I want you guys to go ahead and tell me what I do next, okay? And I'm not going to even bother to try to see if I could explain what I'm doing, what process I'm doing, what steps I'm taking. This video here, and maybe a couple other videos, I'm just going to let you guys, allow you guys to try to see if you can figure out what guards I'm using and what steps I'm taking to do this fade. Hopefully this helps. If you need the help, or if you have any questions, go ahead and comment below. You can say, at 3 minutes and 2 seconds, what guard is that, or however, they normally do. And hopefully us in the comment section, we can help you out. So peace, and thanks for subscribing. Shout out to Barber Illuminati. Shout out to everybody supporting this channel. If you get a chance, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and go ahead and hit the thumbs up, comment, and share, okay? Those of you that already follow me on Instagram, thank you. Those of you that aren't following me yet, go ahead and look me up. I'm at custom_made_cuts. And thanks for your support, and I'll see y'all soon. Peace.
dummy.